Slimline Warehouse supplies lecterns that allow you to make any speech anywhere with great effect. Presentation is key to making a great speech, and using a lectern can help you through those long lectures or short speeches by maintaining your audience's focus and organizing your speech materials. Featuring large slanted counter surfaces with polished edges, enjoy plenty of space for placing your notebooks, tablets and books. All our models include a large lip at the base which keeps your materials in place, giving you the freedom to move around during your presentation. Most of our lecterns feature a lower shelf for you to stow away supporting presentation material or personal belongings during your speech. Microphones and other audio accessories can be attached to all podiums, with one lectern that features a built-in microphone. Portable lecterns are great for trade shows as it is designed with brochure holders, so your audience can take home your promotional material. The portable lecterns can be folded away neatly and is lightweight. Lecterns are a popular addition for conference centres, offices, schools, universities, churches, community centres and exhibition halls. Our quality lecterns are a great tool to have in your business or community group and will give you, your staff and your speakers the confidence while they present. View our full range of lecterns online today. Slimline Warehouse, providing the tools to build your brand.